That's it on the screen now. Thank you.
Yeah. So what we tried to do was think about, as a counsellor, let's say I'm seeing a young person or an adult even in private practice, what is my aim? What is it I'm trying to do? And then if I'm working in a school context, what might be the additional things that I need to think about? So the first statement on that slide is what I'm aiming to do as a counsellor in whatever context I'm working in. So I want to build a therapeutic relationship which allows the client to explore what they need to do. So that's how we see counselling in its purest form. And if I'm working in school, what I need to do in addition to that is to understand how I can facilitate the smooth running of the service in that context, and how I can educate other people to help them understand how they can help me in what I'm doing. So there's those two extra roles. What do I need to do? So for example, who do I need to build relationships with? That might be the pastoral team, school nurse, CAMS. The administrator in a school is often a very good person to get a good relationship with, because if there's anything you need to know, they'll probably know how to find out, or they'll be good at helping smooth things over. And thinking about what you need to work round in a school, finding out what's going on, what trips are happening, when exams are. An awful lot of time can be wasted if you haven't got that information and you're expecting people to turn up for appointments when they're somewhere else. And in terms of helping others understand what we need, but helping other people understand what we're doing whilst maintaining confidentiality is one of the biggest challenges, I think. And I think what's the word I'm looking for? The culture of counselling is very different to the culture in schools. In schools, the norm would be to talk about the children and young people and what they're experiencing, to share information amongst staff in the belief that that's the best way of helping children and young people. And with our confidentiality, we're kind of challenging that. We're operating in a different way. So that one of the challenges is to build relationships with colleagues whilst holding on to that confidentiality and helping people to understand why that's important.